Come test drive the 2013 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, power driver's seat, stability control, traction control, air conditioning, adjustable headrests, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified Program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.